feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They're deceived with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Feel low, you can still go. Go, feel slow, you can still go. Go, there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.
Be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic. You can't stop it, it's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic. Got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Feel low, you can still go. Go, feel slow, you can still go. Go, there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go, go.
I was built to last from the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on the gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quite so thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep 'em out your face, no way, you don't want 'em, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. Yeah.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn
All right, guys. Thank you for waiting. For the people on Rumble, thank you for waiting. Guys on YouTube, same. Let's begin. All right, guys. Give me a second. And Rumble. All right, guys. Thank you for waiting. Yes, I can't mute myself. All right, I'll start in a second. Now, guys, we got a very important topic to talk about. We're going to talk about some passive cash flow, dollar cost averaging, some staking on KuCoin, and let me get into it. Give me a second. Now, if you guys got any questions about what cryptos or want me to review a crypto or even some stocks, let me know. That's what this daily live stream is for. Cool. Just let me get the rest of it ready, guys. Here we go. All right, let me get YouTube up. All right. Sorry about that, Rumble. All right. So first off, guys, we're on KuCoin.com. Now, we're going to be looking at some of the staking rewards on here first before I dive into anything else. I will be covering dollar cost averaging, the power of dollar cost averaging, and compounding interest. So if you want to learn more about compounding interest, let me know, guys. I can do that first or second, but that's what the current routine I got going right now. All right. Give me a second. I got some people asking for the live stream link. Yeah, 2 keyboards going, guys. One for Rumble, one for... All right. So if you guys have not been on this website, KuCoin is one of the biggest websites to learn more about cryptocurrency, guys. It is a very, very big thing on here. Here we go. So let's jump right into this right here. So when it comes to the staking, guys, staking is very similar to dividend stock. Basically, dividend stock, you own it, you purchase it before the ex-dividend date. You hold that stock past the ex-dividend date. They'll pay you X amount, either, I don't know, 5% per year. It really depends on how they pay. They can be either monthly, quarterly, annually, semi-annual, or even a special one. And based on that, how many shares you own, they'll pay you a dividend per share, and then you get paid that pretty much on a fixed time frame. Well, it might change if it's a special, but pretty much that's what a dividend is. Now, when it comes to staking rewards, very similar to dividends, but you're going to be owning this cryptocurrency and you're locking it up for X amount of time. And when you do that, they'll pay you a yield based on that in that crypto, not in cash, guys. If you buy stocks, they'll pay you in dollars. And these will pay you in crypto. Okay. So let's get right here first off. So here's some higher things on KuCoin. Now, KuCoin gives a lot higher earnings than other websites versus like Coinbase. Coinbase does give you some pretty high returns. I mean overall, but not on everything. I think KuCoin. On Coinbase gives you like 5 or ones you can to stake. KuCoin gives you a lot more. And let's see what they have. Let's actually look at some of the higher ones. Bitcoin's relatively high. AWAX. Divi, what is that? Let's check out this crypto, because I talked about some of the other ones yesterday. Let me see. Oh, actually check out some more right here. Oh, they have a lot more on here. Luna, it's 12%. Matic, Polygon, XRP. Wow, XRP is pretty high, 59.63%. Dual investment, savings 2.71, Solana 37%. So these are a whole lot higher than Coinbase, and a whole lot more too. Coinbase, I think, only has 5. So just checking through this list, guys, we got a ton to even cover right here. So if you guys looking for passive cash flow, this is like definitely the place to check it out. Let me see. This is on pause. All right, let's move over to this. So one thing you guys gotta learn when it comes to dividend stocks or cryptocurrency is the rule of 72. So the rule of 72 basically talks about how fast to double up your principal, right? With the compounding interest. So a good example would be like this. All right, just say you have an investment that pays you 10%. So what you get to is you have 72 divided by 10, and if it pays you annually 10%, it'll take you 7.2 years for your money to double. And if you start doing that, a whole bunch of compounding across the board, you'll start seeing that your investments are getting bigger and bigger, a lot faster if you start compounding. And if you have, and vice versa, if you have like something really, really small, like say at 3%, it'll take you 24 years for your investment to basically flip over, or flip and double up. Now, here's something about power of compounding. Now, if you guys want to learn, when it comes to compounding, that's what you want. You want it to compound daily or as fast as possible. So if you're getting your interest, just say hit once a year, it's not going to be as effective if it's every single day. So try to find things that compound daily or monthly or a lot faster than once a year, for example. Now we can check out this video with what is it? Understanding compounding interest. This is from Wikipedia. I think we got to add though.
Everyone.
I hate their ads. We'll let that run a little bit. But what I like about it is, like, what is this compounding interest? Compounding interest calculate on a initial principal, which also takes into account all accumulated interest of previous periods or of a loan or deposit. So you can do the same thing for a loan. You can do the same thing on a house. Basically, that compounding interest is going to either increase, and you're going to either pay down to get the principal lower, or add into to get the principal higher. So one of the two. And we guys see, you can see based on this mathematical formula, you guys can grow your principal a lot higher in the amount of years. I think that we'll check out this. Oh, it's finished. Here.
A high interest savings account.
Here's. Look at that.
Compound interest is the interest an investor earns on his original investment, plus all the interest earned on the interest that has accumulated over time.
Oh, also, there are things, like taxes or, fees that come through, especially with certain passive investments. So just understand that you might have like a $50 fee, a $100 fee, or whatever fee involved in that. So try to discount that while you're doing it. There's actually calculators for that, which I'll go into a little bit.
It is easier to think of compound interest as interest on interest. To understand compound interest, let's first look at simple interest, the interest earned on the original principal only. Suppose you deposit $10,000 into a high interest savings account at a 5% simple interest rate for 3 years. The interest you earn each year is 5% times 10,000, which equals $500, for a total of $1,500 of interest at the end of year 3. $500 plus 500 plus 500. Now instead, suppose that you deposit the same $10,000 at 5% interest compounded annually.
Now see that difference, that compounding interest versus that simple interest? Big difference.
Year 1, the interest you earn is the same, $500. But in year 2, the interest you earn is 5% times 10,500, the original amount plus the interest you earned in year 1. So the second year's interest is $525.
Ooh.
In year 3, you earn 5% interest on 11.
So that's what you want to find, assets that compound very frequently. This was like a simple versus a compounding one. So there is a big difference. So make sure whatever asset class you get into, you get that compounding effect. Now, before we dive into some of the other assets, we got to dive into what is dollar cost averaging. So basically, if you're getting into a stock, jumping into like a crypto, and it's, you know, say flatlining or just, you know, slowly building up, that interest that you're getting plus you're periodically buying, we call it dollar cost averaging. If you're always entering on a, say, monthly basis, weekly basis, or whenever you get paid, you can start stacking it up, and it can start building up your position on like a basically on an average level. So instead of you looking at the market as a high and low, you'd be like, okay, I got this range of prices and a range of entries that are in at these prices, and I can average this. So I got this low at this price, I got this high right here, and if the price, say, keeps going up, I have this average win or average profit. So that's what I do when it comes to like ETF, NTNs, or just pat for stocks, or even some of the cryptos like Hedera. I just every month I just start buying Hedera once a month, and also have a staking rewards with it. Not that high, not like ones on KuCoin. Like mine's like 6%, so it's not too high. Now let's go back to this website here. Dollar cost averaging over here. Let's see. So if you guys want this article, please check it out. Like, I think Investopedia has some of the best video stuff on this. Here, check this one out. Then we got another ad. But how it works, this is basically, it helps you build long term. It does help you, and what it also helps out for, like, if there's like big massive movements, it doesn't really mess you up when it comes to like the psychological way of entering the markets, because you have such a long-term perspective, and you have so many long-term entries. Give me 1 second. How's it on YouTube? Okay. So it basically is a good way not to shake you out of your trade. Now here, let's turn this on.
Dollar cost averaging is a more conservative approach to investing than simply spending all your money on securities at once. This technique allows investors to commit to a fixed dollar amount of a particular investment on a regular schedule, regardless of the share price.
Nice.
More shares will be bought when prices are lower, and fewer shares will be bought when prices are higher, resulting in a lower average cost per share. Dollar cost averaging reduces risks by allowing investors to ease into the market over time. For example, Chris buys $200 worth of stock in Billy Bob's restaurants each month for 4 months. In January, the value of the shares drops to $50 each, so he buys 4. In February, the stock is worth $40, so Chris buys 5. In March and April, he buys 8 shares of Billy Bob's, which dropped in price to $25. Overall, Chris purchased 25 shares at an average price of $32. If he had invested all of his money at the same time, then he would have only bought 16 for an average price of $50 per share.
Wow, really good explanation on that. So that's another thing too. It really helps even if the market is going down, or your asset is going down in price, and it just making a pullback, you can get that pullback and get your average price a lot lower than if you initially put in a whole bunch of money right in the beginning. So just different perspectives on it. I do dollar cost average on like pretty much all the stocks that I'm into, also in cryptocurrency. And here's another article on it, guys, if you guys want to read more about it. So let's check this out. So if you want to check this out, now let's go to the crypto KuCoin, get more into the meat of it. Where's one crypto I haven't talked about in a while, one that I didn't cover yesterday? Let's see. FTM, Theta, Waves. Let's see. Pepe? No way. There's staking rewards on Pepe. Actually, let me look this up, because I made a video on Pepe, and basically Pepe was like exploding, like it was like 1,000%. It was absolutely insane how high it's gone. Like even in the news, it was like on the one of the front pages of Coin Market Cap, and I was like, why would anyone buy this? I mean, it's a token, it's a meme token. There's no way that people are buying this stuff, but yeah, I was wrong. People are definitely buying this stuff. Let me see. So if you actually are buying Pepe, let me see. Bob, pizza first. Why is that letting me get into anything? Like, I click on it and it's not even loading up. This is such an annoying thing. Here, let's do Coin Market Cap. And if my stuff's going slow, guys, it's just because of Chrome. Chrome's like a data hog. Just eats up everything. Here you go. Coin Market Cap. Let's look at Pepe real quick. I mean, I didn't know Pepe had, what was it? Pepe's earning 4%. Yeah, it's not. I don't understand why it's not running on here, but we'll see. Oh, here we go. Oh my God! Look at that. Pepe went up, like it's pretty much like a rocket up, and then basically smashed back down. And this is on the 8-hour, because it's only been out for what, a few days. I mean, I don't know why anyone would be buying this unless they expect it to go up. But to me, it's a token, which is one thing. But outside of that, it's a meme token. Like, literally in the definition, like you look up Pepe. So if you guys are looking at staking Pepe, let's see what you guys are looking into. It's crazy. It's in the top 100. Ranked 68. Holy crap. It's like it's not that long at all. Like, look at this. This is April 20th. I think that's 6 zeros. Like, look at that. 6 zeros and a huge push up. I wonder which social media influencers started pumping it. And it got pushed back down. Now, I think people are trying to see if it's going to, make this push up to do it again. It's possible. But I won't see any of this. Like, here's Pepe. Pepe is a deflationary meme coin. It's not a coin. It's a token. See? Token, guys. On Ethereum, the cryptocurrency was created as a tribute to the Pepe the Frog internet meme created by Matt Fury, which gained popularity in early 2000s. The project aims to capitalize on the popularity of the meme coin like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin and strive to establish itself at the top of one of the top meme cryptocurrencies. Pepe appeals to cryptocurrency community by instituting a no tax policy, so it's not too bad, a retributive system rewards long-term staking and burning mechanism to maintain scarcity of Pepe coin. I mean, they're getting 4%, so I mean, let's see where some good entries would be. So if we combine what I was talking about earlier to the dollar cost averaging, right, and we combine it with Pepe coin, let me see, where's an arrow at? Oh, they're using where's the arrow at? Give me a second. No, I don't want patterns. I just need an arrow. Oh, here we go. So, we're on the daily. So, what will end up happening if you guys got to Pepe, and say, hey, I'm going to get this sweet, was it, what percentage? 4%. Okay? So, we're going to get that sweet 4%. So, if you're going to be looking at entries, so you'd be like, okay. In the beginning of May, I'm going to enter here. possibly enter on this low, and then every 7 days you enter, because this cryptocurrency is relatively new. And if you do that, there's a possibility it can go up higher or, you know, back down lower. But your goal is to, you know, get that passive amount, staking it. And I don't know how long the staking holding is going to be. That's something I should look up. Actually, let's see if KuCoin actually gets into that. Or let me see. It's more of an anal. Let me see. Hey, let's look this up. Staking KuCoin. No, not KuCoin. Pepe. Alright, let's see. See how long you have to lock it up for. But if you got any questions, let me know, guys. For the guys on Rumble, how are you guys doing? And let's see. If you guys have any questions, guys, let me know. Especially if we're looking at these cryptocurrencies. Whoa. Staking allows you to lock up your assets. Yeah, we got that. This means to participate in Pepe AI staking, all you need to do is take Pepe AI of your link and the number of tokens staked. The current APY is 50%, which is pretty much a sweet deal. 50%? I don't know if this Pepe AI is the same thing. Let me see. 50% is absolutely crazy. Like, I can't even take that serious. Like, maybe people are getting that. There's no way. 50%. I mean, I've seen cryptocurrencies that have even higher ones, but for Pepe meme token holders. Okay, Pepe and other meme coins plunge, but tokens keep pumping. Okay. I mean, Bitcoin's a whole lot more stable than these meme tokens. Look at this. Pepe led the pack with an 8,000% growth that delivered as much as 13 million worth of profits in certain instances. I mean, I think the gain for outside the staking rewards is definitely just from the definitely from the gain in trading. I just found out about Pepe Coin too, especially when I made that video about it a few days ago. But if you guys are planning to stake that, just let me know. I will not. There's no way. Actually, let's go back to the charts a little bit here. I mean, if we start thinking about, like, you know, if you're going to be staking it, how you're going to enter, like, there's not much info on this. This thing's pretty young. Let's try a different crypto. Algorand's been around for a while. ApeCoin, 40%. Let's try that. APE. Let's see. Alright, so we got ApeCoin right here. ApeCoin has been around a lot longer than the other one we just looked at. Let's try it. It was loading. Let's see. Give me a second while that loads. Oh, I gotta log in to figure out the staking rewards. We got Pepe, we got Ape. Okay, here we go. So, if you're getting, remember we're talking about dollar cost averaging, right? Now we're looking at ApeCoin. Like, this thing has a pretty interesting range. Like, it goes down from a $3 low, $3.30 low, to a $7 high. So if we looking at like staking it or just entering periodically, May 27th. Maybe a good thing would be like, hey, I'm gonna buy every 2 weeks. So if you're entering every 2 weeks, you probably, let's say you magically got that low. 2 weeks later, So that's the 16th. So you entered 2 weeks, probably the end of the month. Got in at $5.20. It's about 2 weeks again. $4.10. Another 2 weeks. $6. So you get a pretty good range here. And if you're getting, I don't know, let's look at this ApeCoin staking rewards. Let's see how much you can get on here. Wow, some say 41%. That's crazy high. So let's say, I don't know how long you have to lock it up for, but let's see. Let's say you did buy staking. Yeah, I'm saying you get into staking with ApeCoin. At least the price is a whole lot more balanced. I mean, actually that. Here we go. I mean, it has dropped back down to this, I'll say support, but when it comes to it, guys, if you got into this, you'd probably be winning with a 40% over the last few months, and you targeted heavy on these lows. Like you bought really heavy, a lot less, a lot heavier. I'm sorry, a lot lighter on the $6 range. Came back down, bought heavy again, dropped down to that $3 range, bought heavy again. So you typically overall be in profit if that was the plan. Just kept on practically buying like that. And that's not too bad. That'd be a really good setup when it comes to entering the markets like that. You know, I'm gonna put it on my to-do list and check out staking on ApeCoin. Was actually look it up on here. CoinMarketCap, APE. Yeah, it's ranked number 39. $3.44. We got 272,000 watch list. Market cap $1.26 billion. So you guys read the definition, find out the social media of it. You guys can check that out. Let me see. Give me 1 second. Where's the YouTube audience at? I just started calling. Oh, I got. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, cool. So ApeCoin's not too bad. Like, I mean, to me, it looks a whole lot better than Pepe. At least the chart looks a lot healthier and stuff, not just like highly manipulated up. But it could continue. I highly doubt it though. But that's your guys' thought. What are your guys' thoughts about that? Because it's just possibly going to be going down. I mean, we'll see. But that's KuCoin. There's some dollar cost averaging for cryptos right here. Actually, let's look at some different stocks when it comes to dividends, just to give you guys a comparison. Actually, I get a message. Viewers. All right, let's see. Ooh. So dividend.com, once again, is a very good website when it comes to finding dividends. I talked about this in my last live stream yesterday. Let's see. Whoa, that's super high. What's this find any company so far? Let's see, Capital Southwest. And if you guys got any companies you want me to look at, let me know. Let me see. Oh, give me a second. Turn off the volume on this. some technical issues, guys. Here we go. So if we look at some dividend stocks, guys. Now, when it comes to one of them, I'm going to find one, but we're going to combine, you know, dollar cost averaging and the Rule 72 when it comes to that, okay? Let's look at this right here. Let's just find a... Oh, Kohl's. All right, let's try Kohl's. It's KSS. Let's go to Yahoo Finance. KSS. Now, I haven't been to Kohl's in a long time. If you guys, has anyone been to Kohl's lately? Let's see, KSS, Kohl's Corporation. All right, so let's check it. They got our negative earnings per share. They got still a dividend of $2 a year at $9.80. Let's check the chart out, full screen. Let's check their last earning reports. So, their last quarter one in 2023, Q1, they missed it by a huge mark. Their next one's coming up in May 24th. So tomorrow, let's see. I mean, if you guys keep up with it, I don't follow much stocks. I usually just, you know, trade with my robots on them, but if you guys check it out, let's see. Let's check out the chart real quick. See how Kohl's is doing. Try later. Go to lines, go to candlestick. Let's hit it on the daily. 1 month max. Oh wow! Like Kohl's in the early 1990s, dang. Like it went up. Tech. It was a tech crash. Went up to $70. Went back down. Look at that. That $70 zone, $75 zone. It's like a painful time. And this is what, during COVID, basically. And double top and then push back down. It's actually interesting. Like, if you look at this crash from here, the 2007 crash, it kind of stabilized, went up. I mean, this thing is like a very volatile stock in the last, since like 2008, like a range of, I mean, last like 6 years, $80, $18. So if you're getting such a big dividend, you know, I see why it's so high. And this is paying when, look like the dividend's annual. See? So they pay their dividends in, so I think quarters. Actually, not bad. So 9, 6, 12. Yeah. So they pay their dividend every quarter. You see? Yeah, so they pay their dividend every quarter, which is not too bad. Like if you compare the dividends of this, which is 5 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents. Like if you've been with Kohl's for a long time, these payments would definitely start adding up. And if you dollar cost average right, you can get into some really good positions. Now, if you guys got any questions about Kohl's, let me know. I don't personally invest into this stock. I just use it as an example. And you guys can do the same thing. Like if you want to compare it to Kohl's and you compare it to last, like you would have to compare it to the last few months. But you would have to be like, okay, I see that it is targeting this low zone right here at the $20. Maybe I can buy 2 shares or 1 share here or whatever amount. Like you had $100, you can like stagger it across the board. But you know, Kohl's, I mean, I wouldn't even personally invest into it, but if you're looking at that yield, then it is there. I mean, there's other companies you guys can get into. ORCC. Let's see. It's another high yield one. We got Kohl's, Owl, Kronos Worldwide. What is that? Quarterly. All right, let's try this. Broadmark Realty pays monthly. 8.4%. BRMK. BRMK. So it's at $5. You get negative earnings per share. Their dividend yield. I mean, they're paying 5.59 cents, so 12.2%. Let's see how that compares. Actually, we flip back to Rumble real quick. Alright, let's look at the chart. Let's go max. Oh, we are max. I mean, this is not too bad. Like, it got crushed. We're talking like $12, and it did a slow decline down here. It's been pushed back up to $5. So if you got into the during the last since the end of 2022, you started buying periodically, you're doing pretty good for yourself. And basically, if you lock in your trade to protect yourself, this is not too bad. I don't know how they're going to recover. To be honest with you, I don't know what this company does exactly. What is this? It's a realty capital, but I don't know what it is. Oh, wow. Declares monthly dividend for May. What is this? Operates as a commercial real estate finance company in the United States. It engages in underwriting, funding, servicing, and managing of a portfolio of short-term trust loans to be found the construction and development or investment or residential or commercial properties. Okay. So, I mean, real estate is not doing the best right now. I think real estate is definitely a lot overvalued. But if you guys want some exposure to that, so we can do the same thing when it comes to this. Like, if you're buying into this right here, buy once a month, hypothetically. I'm not telling you guys what to do with your own money. But if I saw the stock, I'm like, okay, I'm going to buy once a month. They've been paying pretty consistent 3 cents. Oh, wow. The dividends actually started dropping. Last year, they're paying 7 cents. And now they're paying 3.5 cents. Maybe they're going to be doing better. Especially during the recession. I don't know how many people are going to be buying properties or getting into that. So, let's see. KuCoin dividends. Let's see. Hennessy. CVR Energy Inc. What is that? CVI. Alright, so this is probably my last one to check out, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. And thank you guys for tuning in so far. Thanks to the guys on Rumble and YouTube for sticking out with me this long. We got CVR, guys. CVR. Let's go max. Oh, wow. So they stopped paying dividends during this time frame, which we got to verify that. But I can see if it's downtrending hard. It could be heading down to its previous lows down here. So you get if you're in this company, maybe you're in here for a long time, but at least they pay. I wonder what happened here. I know this is a COVID, but how much is this? 2.4. Oh, so maybe they did an annual, like right here, 2021. So they did an annual dividend here. And then they went back to here. So what happened here? I have to figure that out. But, I mean, if you're into this would be like a long-term thing. You're constantly buying. This company's been around since... Oh, wow. Beginning of the... Right at the beginning of the 2007 crash. But, I mean, they started paying dividends way up here. That's crazy high. Not too bad. So this is another thing. If you dollar cost average across this company over the like say 15 years, 12 years, something like that, you're probably up pretty good because you're getting constant payments, except for this part right here, this down part. You probably have to take some gains off by trading it. But that's just a perspective, guys. I just wanted to cover some things about compounding interest. Remember, if you guys are getting 5%, 10%, just do 72 and divide 5 into 72. You get 14.4 years. And if you measure that with capital gains and staggered exits, you can double up your money pretty quickly or over the time frame. And if you're looking at like really high cryptocurrencies like ApeCoin, for example, you're getting 40% every period. So 72 divided by 40, every 1.8 years you're doubling up. So that's pretty crazy high. And as long as ApeCoin stays relatively high, then yeah, you might be seeing some good gains for it. But that's all I wanted to cover, guys. Any questions or comments? I'm sorry shutting down, guys. And thank you guys for making it. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you, Rumble. And I'll see you guys. Let's see. In live stream. 16